Hi guys, I'm Frances Lola. I'm a digital style and beauty content creator based in LA, and I'm currently getting ready to go to New York for Fashion Week. I am so stoked. I have not been back to New York in like 2 years, so I'm really excited to be back in the city for Fashion Week. I'm currently just packing up some things, planning some looks, so I thought I would just take you guys along and show you guys what I'm bringing, because some stuff is really cute, and also some skincare and beauty products that I wanted to mention as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, first piece we're packing up is this gorgeous Carlita dress from LPA. I love this color so much, it's so beautiful. I think it's a really great transitional piece from summer to fall. It's like really backless, so it's kind of sexy, and I love that you can dress this up or down. Like in the daytime, I'd probably wear this with some cowboy boots to go to some lunch or brunch with some friends, and then at night I would throw on some like heeled sandals, and it could be really cute for a night out as well. So this is a really versatile piece. I love the color, look at how it just shines in the light. So pretty, and the weather in New York is going to be pretty warm. I think I checked, it's going to be around like the high 70s, low 80s, and then New York summers are always really humid. So I love that this backless piece will definitely keep me cool. Next is another dress. This one is the Kelsey mesh dress from SUPERDOWN. I tried this on yesterday and I was obsessed. This mesh is really stretchy, so it's really comfortable, and I love the ruching on the side. I feel like ruching is really flattering for like the belly and the backside. I mean, I definitely need help in the butt area, if you know what I mean. It's like a one shoulder. It has a little cutout between the little boobies, so it's kind of sexy as well. I would definitely pair this with some boots. It's more of like a night out dress, but if you want to dress it down, I would throw it on with this blazer. This is the Power Blazer from Academy, and it just kind of dresses it down a little bit without like taking away from the dress. So it's kind of more of like a less revealing look. You could still wear this out for a night out or even for lunch, I feel like. I mean, it's sexy, but it's like not too revealing, this look. I love a blazer over any dress. I feel like it just tones it down a bit and makes it really chic. So definitely gonna be packing these together. I like to fold my blazers just in half and like lay them down because I don't like them to get too wrinkly. Next piece I'm packing is the Angela Shrug. This is from NBD. I know this looks really funny, but it's really cute on, I swear. Even with this outfit I'm wearing on right now, I'll try it on for you guys. It's so cute. I love that it's like just covering up the sleeves because New York summers get really hot. So I feel like you only are just covering the arms, and I'm just wearing like a regular tube top. This is so cute. I love the chain detail. It's a really unique piece, and it will definitely keep me cool still if it's warm, or at night if I want to like wear something thicker under this, I could too. I love it. It's really unique. All right, this piece is really sexy. This is the Keilani Leather top from SUPERDOWN. It's got a really nice flattering square neckline. I'm planning to pair this with the Melissa zip skirt, also from SUPERDOWN. These two pieces together are so sexy, perfect for a night out. It's giving me very much Posh Spice from the 90s vibes. So I'm definitely excited to wear this for a night out and serve my best Victoria Beckham. Okay, next piece is this Niko Blazer from NBD. I am obsessed with pink blazers. I have one in like every shade of pink, and this pastel color is so pretty. I love that there's also a belt. It's really cute. I feel like I could wear this to a meeting and just belt it up and be real profesh. It's really cute on. I love this color. I actually love it with the black pant under as well. I feel like the contrast of the pastel and like the black looks really good together. There you guys go. This is a little, it's so cute on. This is the Dallas jacket from Academy. I love a good cropped jacket. This color is also so pretty. It's like one of those neutral colors that you can keep in your closet forever. I feel like this would look really good with some high-waisted jeans or shorts to make it a little bit more like casual. But yeah, another piece that can be really dressed up or down. I love how it looks on. Real cute. I love a good cropped jacket. I'm definitely packing this. Couple shoes I'm bringing. This is the Brit Boot from Song of Style. I love this camel color. It's really flattering on. And This is the Clio heel or sandal, also from Song of Style. It's got like straps to wrap around the ankles, and I love that the heel isn't too high. I mean, I'm doing a lot of walking in New York, so I gotta have some comfortable shoes. I just don't want to sacrifice heels, so going for a lower heel. Okay guys, let's get into some skincare. I'm packing some of my favorites. I have a few favorite brands, especially from Revolve. Summer Fridays is definitely one of them. This is the Super Amino Gel Cleanser. I love this one a lot. It just really gently cleans the skin without leaving you feeling dry. I usually follow that up with the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. This is like probably their most iconic product. This is like really what put them on the map, and I've been using this for a little while. I also love to use it on my hands too. So it's kind of like a multifunctional moisturizer. Next is the Cloud Dew Oil-Free Gel Cream. This one has a really nice jelly texture. I'm like almost done with it actually. It's one of my favorite products as well. It moisturizes without leaving you feeling greasy. I also love this one on my hands. I have really dry hands, so I love to put any product on my hands. All right, next I'm bringing this mask. This is the Core Organics Turmeric Mask. This one I love. This one is like really exfoliating and brightening. It's got turmeric in it, and it leaves your skin feeling like really minty. I like to use this in the mornings. Like I pop it on in the shower while I'm washing my hair, and I'll leave it on, and it just really wakes up your skin and just leaves you feeling so good. Definitely one of my favorite products ever. A couple of hair products. This is the Apple Cider Vinegar Dry Shampoo from DPQ. This one I love. I actually use a apple cider vinegar mix for my scalp. Apple cider vinegar is like really good for you. It's gonna help you restore your pH levels, especially my scalp. I get really dry scalp sometimes, and it sometimes gets flaky. So this is really great for your hair. And dry shampoo is like my best friend. I don't wash my hair like that often, so I use a lot of dry shampoo. Couple other hair things from a brand favorite. This is the Gizu line. This is the honey infused hair oil. My hair gets pretty dry, especially because it's bleached, so I like to apply this to the ends. And then this is the honey infused hair perfume. I use this not only on my hair, but sometimes on my body, so it's kind of like a 2-for-1. I love her products. I mean, the owner Megan has like amazing hair, so I need to use everything that she's using. All right, one of my travel tips is that I always keep an airplane bag handy. This is my grab and go plane bag. I was traveling a lot more before the pandemic, but I still keep this around for any flights. I just keep this in my bag, and it's just got a bunch of random stuff that I would need during a long and grueling flight. So I've got some tissues in here. I've got some earplugs and a sleep eye mask in case I want to just take a nap in peace and drown out any like crying children or anything. I've also got a pen. It's really important to keep a pen handy, especially if you're traveling internationally. You're always asked to fill out like immigration forms. I also have a few skincare goodies, especially now after the pandemic. We all have to wear masks during a flight, so I just want to make sure my skin is getting hydrated and being taken care of during the flight. The air in the plane gets really dry, so I've got some KNC Beauty eye patch masks. These are the little star ones, so these ones are really cute. I also have this Core Organics Minty Mineral Hydration Mist. This one recently launched and I'm obsessed. It's like super minty and refreshing. Oh, it's so good. Definitely has some hand sanitizer. One great thing about the pandemic is that people are constantly cleaning their hands and surfaces, and I love the Touchland ones. They're available on Revolve, and they don't dry out your hands. They're paraben-free, vegan, and also cruelty-free, which is nice. And also the packaging is cute. I'm a sucker for good packaging. Also have another skincare item from Core Organics. This is the Noni Glow Face Oil. How cute is it? It's so tiny and small. I just apply a few drops onto my skin, and it just keeps me fresh during the flight. And then last little thing I have in here is the Ella Luz lip and cheek stain. I like to freshen up before we land, especially after like a long flight. You just don't want to look too tired. So this kind of like gives my face some life. I just add some to the lips and some to the cheeks and just dab, and I just have like a little bit of color to my face so I don't look too exhausted after the flight. All right, right, that's it guys. Thank you so much for packing with me. I am so excited to go to Fashion Week with Revolve. You can find everything I featured in this video available right now on revolve.com. Hope you guys enjoyed this little series, and I'll catch you guys in New York. Bye.